In UptoSix Phonics Plus app, you can learn all the consonant blends. Like we have this many consonant blends. Let's look at the few consonant blends.
UptoSix Phonics Plus. B.
Blue.
B. As in blob. B. Ah. B. Blob.
Blue ob. Blue ob. Blob.
B. As in blanket. B. At. Blanket.
Blue
At.
at.
B. At.
Children can listen to the sounds again and again and they learn it perfectly.
Blanket. B. As in blank. B. Blank. B. Blank. B. As in blonde. B. D. Blonde.
Bl, and there are many more words with bl. Similarly, let's look at g.
UptoSix Phonics Plus. G. As in globe.
Globe. Oh, this is a magic word. Globe. Globe. Globe.
As in glad. Glad.
Glad. So the app is interactive so that children can try on their
As
own.
in glitter. Glitter.
Glitter. There are many more words with g. Let's go back to g.
UptoSix Phonics Plus. As in clap. Clap.
Like app, 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 clap.
As in clam. 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 As in clap.
Okay, let's go back and let's look at another one like dr.
UptoSix
You can
Phonics
download the
Plus.
app and explore each and every consonant blend. There are many words with each blend.
Dr.
Dr.
As
Like
in drag. Drag.
drag, drag, drag. One more.
As in drip. Drip.
Drip, drip.
Drip.
And like spur.
UptoSix Phonics Plus. Spur.
Spur.
As in spring. Spring.
Spring. Spring.
Spring. Spur. As in sprain. Spur. Sprain. Sprain.
You can download the UptoSix Phonics Plus app and explore each and every consonant blends. Then we have blending and segmenting with consonant blends.
UptoSix Phonics Plus. Blending. Read the word and tap the correct picture.
Like strict,
Strict. Read the word and tap the correct picture.
glitter, glitter.
Read the word and tap the correct picture.
String.
String. Read the word and tap the correct picture.
So all the consonant blends are mixed here. All the words are there in blending and segmenting. Great. And let's do little segmenting.
UptoSix Phonics Plus. Segmenting. Can you spell trim?
Trim.
Trim. Can you spell spin?
Spin.
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 Can you spell spring?
Spur.
Spring. Can you spell flap?
Flap.
Flap.
So download the app. It's
Can you
an
spell
excellent app.
plank? Plank. Can you spell street?
Eat.
Street.
Okay.
Can